This is Cloud Cover for tonight. I'm Thor from Iceland in Motion. You're welcome to let people know about the tour. It's kind of new, and would be good for me to have a few more people. So if you're meeting up at hotels, you can let people know if you find it helpful. But let's take a look at clouds for tonight. Uh, Let me see. Let's start with like the Icelandic Met Office. They have been like way off like the last few nights, especially regarding the north. It's more clouded in the north than they are predicting here. And oh, Christina is at dinner, so she's gonna ask me to do the post on Northern Lights Iceland Facebook group. Okay, I'm gonna finish this. So okay, I think it's also maybe it's a little bit clouded in Reykjavik. It might clear closer to midnight. That's why I'm putting my spots here. It's like actually one of my favorite spots here in like a forest area. Just it's like 40 minutes, half an hour, maybe just half an hour. You drive out of the Reykjavik North under the tunnel on the other side of the mountain here. It's a beautiful spot. Uh, like I know some of you are here in Varmahlíð. I think some other forecast indicates more clouds here, so maybe you have to kind of get down to this area here. We'll see. Let me know if you make it there. There are some clouds here around the coast. The question is, are they going to be inland? It is a little bit cloudy, I think, here in Höfn now, but I think, maybe driving just a little bit further west would be okay. Let's take a look at the satellite photo to see the reality. So the reality looks like this. Okay, the blue stuff here, these are clouds. It is actually maybe clearing in Reykjavik. So if it clears, and if you see like when you're driving here, you see stars everywhere, then you don't have to go all the way to the spot I put here. You can probably go just to the lake, some of the yellow spot if you don't want to drive far. If you want to stay closer to the city, if you have stars, then you don't have to go to the green spots up here. It's just cloud dependent. So the spots are just locations with not so much light pollution, with a decent northern horizon, that are cloud free. So according to this, it is like cloud free all the way from here. So Varmahlíð is so, and it's even like I think even like it looks a bit open here between Varmahlíð and Akureyri, if this is correct. But some clouds here, but yeah, if you pass over here, it's just one mountain road. You should be fine here in Borgarnes, like if you get to this area. Let's take a look at somebody is in Skaftafell. Skaftafell is in this area. That looks okay. The question is with Höfn. Höfn is a little bit further up here. I can see some blue stuff going on. These are clouds. Let's see how they are moving. It's actually getting better. So maybe like if you are in Höfn and you see stars everywhere, you can just go to the first location just outside of town, or drive a little bit in to get a little bit away from it. There is a bridge there where I put the spot, and yeah, maybe you can get some nice photos with the river coming in or something like that. If it's still cloudy, what you do, you just keep driving a little bit this way until you see the sky is relatively clear, and then find just a safe place to park. If it's clear, only problem with a little bit this area in general is that we are quite close to the mountain, so we need the lights to be a little bit higher up. That is also why the area here close to the bridge is good, because it has some distance to the mountains a little bit. We're not like completely into them. Skaftafell, the parking at Svínafellsjökull is fine. Also out on the sand, has some better distance from the mountains, but usually it's enough. It's also beautiful to be here at Svínafellsjökull, and if you are photographing, you can walk like 15 minutes to roots of the glacier is very beautiful. But it's dark, so be careful also. Kirkjubæjarklaustur, Vík, there are some clouds here around this area. South looks fine, like north part of Þingvellir seems to be clearing up. So it's going to be fairly easy for us to at least locate a open sky. Pretty easy. Like most of the clouds are now here, and they are, I think, moving. Watch out. Down they're coming in, maybe moving then south. But Keflavík, maybe Reykjavík is clouded, but just go a little bit north of Reykjavík or even here towards Þingvellir should be fine. So cloud-wise good. Activity, yeah, probably lights around 8, peaks around 9, and we'll see what happens later. Good luck tonight. Should be visible lights at peaks. Remember, it's like 3-hour event with a build-up that can be faded with specific peaks. They are short, but more visible, and then they go into recovery.